Hey Alexa, start the Robo.
Presenting the new Eureka Forbes Robo LVAC VoiCE Pro vacuum cleaner. Once turned on, the Robo will automatically scan the entire house and generate a map. If your house has multiple floors, the Robo can create up to 5 maps using its multi-floor mapping feature. The Robo is designed to clean all surfaces, whether wooden, marble or carpet. Thanks to its powerful suction, it can easily clean the tiniest dust particles. The Robo's anti-fall sensor prevents it from falling from a high place and also prevents it from colliding with any other object. It effortlessly cleans even the most challenging spots. The Robo easily cleans the dust and dirt accumulated in the corners of the house. With the quiet cleaning mode, you can enjoy quieter cleaning while still achieving great results. The room and target zoning features make it easy to prevent the Robo from going to any unwanted areas. The Robo's auto-cleaning mode enables it to autonomously clean the house. To tackle spills and daily mopping, wet mopping is the ideal choice. Just remove the water tank, add water and attach the microfiber cloth to get started. With its microfiber cloth, cleaning up wet spills, tough stains and even sauce or wine is a breeze. Max mode increases the power of the vacuum and brushes to remove the most stubborn stains. With a full charge, the Robo can clean continuously for up to 110 minutes in one go. If the battery is low, the Robo automatically returns to the charging dock and resumes cleaning from where it left off once fully charged. Always keep the auto dock station in such a place where there are no obstacles within its docking radius. Through the app, you can remotely operate the Robo from any location, even when you are not at home. The scheduling feature allows you to set up automated cleaning for a time that's convenient for you. Bring home the new Eureka Forbes LVAC VoiCE Pro vacuum cleaner and make time for things you love.